transfer USDT Binance to Binance. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to send USDT Binance to Binance. First up, after you open up your Binance app like this, go to this option assets. So after you go to the asset section, so here you'll be able now to see all your balance. So I'll just go with this funding. I have my USDT inside the funding. So the next thing to do, now select USDT. After you select the USDT, now go to this send button. So now select this one, the first option, send to Binance user. So the next thing to do, now you have two options. So you can send the USDT to a Binance user by receiving the Binance user ID. So all you have to do now, just call the person and ask the person to send you his Binance ID. After you receive the person Binance ID, so just click on this Binance ID and paste the ID in this option. So here is the ID. But if you want, you can send the USDT to a Binance user via his email address or phone number. So if you click on this option, so ask the person to send you his Binance email address or phone number. After you type in the Binance email address of the or phone number for the person, just in this option. So from there, it will just give you option to tap on the continue button as well. So for this video, I'm using Binance ID. I'll click on this option. So I will just paste in the Binance ID. So here is the Binance ID. After you add the Binance ID, so just continue button. So now you go ahead now and type in the amount of the USDT you want to send. So I'll just go ahead and send 0.1. So after you type in the amount, just tap on this continue button. So after you tap on the continue button, so from this option, now if I tap on this confirm, now this USDT will be sent to this user. And that's it guys on how to send USDT Binance to Binance.